The Zambian police has reportedly barred Zimbabwean citizens from holding a demonstration in Lusaka, the capital of Zambia, against the upcoming assumption of the Southern African Development Community SADC chairmanship by Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa next month. Zambia mashoko aiwa abudanyogwa panapa papindula news kuti subscribe like otina on the bell icon. Wanyera wachiti the planned protest was scheduled to take place at the Mulungushi International Conference Center in Lusaka on July 11 and 12. According to the Change Radio, the Zambian police cancelled the demonstration under pressure from Zimbabwe's ruling party Zanu PF. However, the report suggests that there will be still hope that the Zambian authorities will allow Zimbabweans to exercise their demonstration rights. A poster circulating online reads, "No to ED's SADC chairmanship. Zimbabwe is under a military dictatorship characterized by corruption, nepotism, poverty, and open repression. Let us rise up." Mnangagwa and the ruling party Zanu PF have made it clear that they will not tolerate any form of dissent or opposition ahead of the upcoming SADC summit in August, where Mnangagwa is expected to assume the chairmanship of the regional bloc. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panapa tichiona kuti aiwa mpindula wanyera mashoko kuti Zambian police aiwa inostopa demonstrations akanga achida kuitwa musi wa11 musi wa12 anayazoitwa effectively, but kuri kunzi there is still hope kuti aiwa Zambia icha initialize kuti ichaita kuti vakomana ava va protest nekuda kwokuti vakanga vachireceive pressure from the Zanu PF. Satudze mafunguro enyu ina kumene section medu sana subscribe kulike, turn on the bell.